Welcome to Wise Life Now. Are you feeling overwhelmed with managing your money? Do you struggle to save, always falling short and feeling ready to give up on your finances? Millions of people experience this sense of powerlessness in their finances, but here's the truth. You have more control than you think. Many individuals find themselves feeling overwhelmed and powerless when it comes to managing their finances. Whether facing mounting debt, struggling to save, or living paycheck to paycheck, the feeling of powerlessness can be debilitating. With the right mindset and strategies, you can take control of your finances and build a secure future. But how? In this video, we will share steps to overcome financial struggles and achieve stability and freedom. Stay until the end for an action challenge you won't want to miss. You know the feeling, where money seems like this mysterious force controlling your life and you're just along for the ride. I've been there. Maybe you're sitting there right now, feeling like your bank account is a roller coaster you never signed up for. Bills piling up, savings accounts looking more empty than a ghost town, and that constant anxiety gnawing at the back of your mind. But here's the truth. Financial power isn't some magical state reserved for millionaires or finance gurus. It's a skill you can learn, a mindset you can develop. So let's start by understanding financial powerlessness. First, let's break down what financial powerlessness actually looks like. Financial powerlessness isn't just about having little money. It's more than just being broke. It's a psychological state where you feel completely overwhelmed, helpless and defeated, where you believe you can't improve your financial situation. This mindset is linked to psychological barriers or habits such as 1. Fear of failure. Example: someone might avoid starting a new business or investing in their education because they are terrified of failing, even though they have the potential to succeed. This fear holds them back. 2. Instant gratification. Example: instead of saving money for long-term financial goals, a person might frequently buy things they don't need, such as clothes or gadgets, because they want immediate pleasure. 3. Scarcity mindset. Example: a person might constantly feel that there's never enough money, leading them to avoid taking risks or pursuing opportunities, even if they could improve their financial situation. 4. Procrastination. Example: someone may keep putting off important financial tasks, such as creating a budget, paying off debt, or researching investment options because they feel overwhelmed or unsure about where to start. These 4 psychological barriers or habits keep you from taking control of your finances. The real issue lies in changing those 4 habits. Now let's discover the roots of powerlessness in finances. It's important to understand the root of powerlessness in finances before diving into strategies to address financial powerlessness. 1. Negative past experiences. Maybe you've experienced financial failures, debt, or watched your parents struggle with money. These experiences can create deep-rooted beliefs that you're destined to fail financially. 2. Lack of financial literacy. Many people feel overwhelmed by financial jargon, budgeting, investing, and other aspects of personal finance, leading to a sense of ignorance and powerlessness. 3. External factors such as economic uncertainty. Job loss or unexpected expenses can contribute to feelings of financial insecurity. Example: Sarah, a recent college graduate, found herself drowning in student loan debt and credit card bills. She felt powerless and anxious about her financial future, unsure of how to get ahead. So these are the 3 main roots of powerlessness in your finances you must be aware of. Here are some telltale signs of powerlessness in finance. 1. Constant money stress. You're always worried about money. Every unexpected expenses feels like a potential disaster. Your heart races when you check your bank balance, and you're perpetually in a state of financial anxiety. 2. Reactive instead of proactive. Instead of planning, you're always reacting. A bill comes in and you scramble. An emergency happens and you're caught off guard. You're basically playing financial defense all the time, never offense. 3. Lack of financial knowledge. Let's be real. Most of us were never taught how money actually works. School didn't prepare us. Schools don't teach personal finance, so we're left figuring things out on our own. Our parents might not have been financial wizards. So we're left navigating a complex financial world with basically no map. This knowledge gap creates uncertainty and fear. These signs clearly indicate you may feel powerless over your finances. If these resonates with you, it's time to take action now. Here are the practical steps to regain financial power. Strategy 1. Mindset transformation. Financial power begins in your mind. Stop saying, "I can't afford that," and start asking, "How can I afford that?" Stay positive and believe that you are in control of your finances. The most crucial step is believing you can change. Avoid comparing yourself to others and create your own goals to achieve. View expenses as investments. Celebrate small financial wins. Treat your finances like a business you are managing. Remove shame from your financial journey, but most of all, believe in yourself. Transform your mindset. Strategy 2. Financial education. Empower yourself by increasing your financial literacy. Learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. There are countless resources available, including books, online courses, and financial advisors, to help you gain the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, literally. With knowledge, you feel more confident in managing your money effectively. Financial literacy is your most potent weapon. Here are some suggestions to help you start. 1. Follow financial blogs. 2. Watch YouTube channels about personal finance. 3. Read one book about money management every few months. 4. Take free online courses about investing and budgeting. Websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer incredible free financial literacy courses. No excuses. Strategy 3. Create a realistic budget, not the boring kind. Creating a budget is a crucial step in taking control of your finances. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll gain clarity on where your money goes and find opportunities to cut back or save more. A budget helps prioritize your spending, ensuring you live within your means. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about understanding and managing your money. Track every dollar for a month, categorize your spending, and identify areas for improvement. Avoid impulse spending. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make budgeting easier. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% on necessities, rent, food, basic utilities, 10% on personal choices, entertainment, dining out, hobbies, 1% on future you, savings, investments, debt reduction. You can make it flexible. A budget should feel like a supportive friend, not a strict prison guard. Strategy 4. Build an emergency fund. Financial emergencies can happen unexpectedly, leading to stress and uncertainty. By establishing an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, you can protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances and feel more secure in your financial situation. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small. Even $500 can provide significant peace of mind. Just start microscopically. $5 a week, $10 if you can manage. The goal is not the amount, it's building the habit. If you save $10 weekly, that's $520 a year. In 3 years, you'll have $1,560. Not life-changing, but infinitely better than zero. Strategy 5. Multiple income streams to increase your income. Your job is one income stream. Your current salary isn't fixed, so think about side hustles. Consider freelance on platforms like Upwork, sell digital products, start a small online business, or teach skills you already have. Consider other side hustles, or you can even ask for a pay rise. Remember, increasing your income sources improves your ability to clear debts, cover basic needs, and save more money. Your salary alone is not enough. Strategy 6. Tackle debt strategically. Don't just make minimum payments. Use methods like the snowball, paying smallest debts first, or avalanche, targeting highest interest debts, to systematically reduce what you owe. Choose the best method for you and make minimum payments. Strategy 7. Seek professional help. If you feel overwhelmed by your financial situation, don't hesitate to seek help from a financial advisor or counselor. These professionals can provide personalized guidance, strategies, and support to help you navigate challenging financial circumstances and achieve your goals. In conclusion, overcoming powerlessness in your finances is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. By taking proactive steps to educate yourself, set goals, budget effectively, build savings, and seek assistance when needed, you can break free from the cycle of financial insecurity and create a brighter financial future for yourself. Now, our 5-day Financial Empowerment Action Challenge. Day 1. Assess your current financial situation. 1. Track every dollar you spend today. Write down all your income and expenses, no matter how small. At the end of the day, review where your money went and look for any unnecessary or unexpected expenses. Day 2. Create your budget. 1. Based on your spending from day 1, categorize your expenses, for example, groceries, entertainment, bills. Set clear limits for each category and prioritize essentials like savings and debt payments. Commit to sticking to your budget for the rest of the challenge. Day 3. Identify ways to increase your income. 1. Brainstorm at least 3 ways you could increase your income. For example, side hustle, freelancing, selling unused items. Take one concrete step towards implementing one of these ideas today. Day 4. Eliminate one financial obstacle. 1. Identify one financial habit or barrier holding you back. For example, impulse buying, unnecessary subscriptions. 2. Take action today to eliminate or reduce it. For example, cancel a subscription, set a savings goal. Day 5. Set clear financial goals. 1. Write down at least 2 short-term financial goals. For example, saving $100 this month or paying off a small debt. Break these goals down into specific actions and deadlines. Commit to taking one step toward each goal today. By the end of these 5 days, you'll have a clearer understanding of your finances, a budget, and actionable steps to take control and move forward. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Also, leave a comment below telling me how you went with the exercises or give suggestions for me. Together, we can inspire each other to lead healthier and happier lives. See you in our next video.